So Ubuyashiki, let's draw him. We're gonna draw the eye here as a straight line right here, not big, you know, just make a straight line. After that, the same distance here, draw the same line. It's second eye, okay? It's not the real eye, it's not full eye, we just make a distance because, you know, in Demon Slayer they're using the weird distance. It's a little bit closer than usually in real life. So we have done draw the eye. So do this again in another different way. Sometimes I can make mistakes in words because I'm trying to speak in English as good as I can, but I can make mistakes. That's normally okay. Ubuyashiki. It's one of the main characters in Demon Slayer, but not a lot of people know him. No name actually. They know him like the man who's ill, who can't see. And now he's seen much more than a lot of other characters. So we have done that with eyes, and we're making the details. It's the most important thing when you're drawing the eyes. We should have a lot of details. It seems like Byakugan from Naruto, really. You know, they are looks like they're blind, but actually they are see so good. So here we have done it. Nose, as we know, it's closer than it was. We make the one line, as you know. It can be one finger, one dime or a centimeter, doesn't matter. So here is that distance. If you will put, the end will be that line here, and we should do half of that distance. We should make a nose, one bigger. Here we would use that same distance. Now it's a little bit smaller. Okay. So we have done it, actually. And here we should do the straight line from the bottom to the top. Not actually straight, as you can see, but I would say like it's straight line actually, but it's not. It's carré. They use it say in English, carré. I think you are. So here, distance. Again, this distance, this top. Put it. Have really big mind, actually. Distance. I think you would try it. Use the pen. If you will make a mistake, you can rub it, you can fix it. If you will draw with pen, if you will make a mistake, you cannot fix it anymore. Unfortunately, that was sad actually. Okay, I will find this moment. Here we make a jawline, and here we're gonna make a neck. So tiny neck, actually, really tiny. I haven't noticed this thing. Maybe because he's ill, really, actually. I have never think about it. He was so tiny. Okay, we done it. Here we should make this stuff actually. So we will decide where we'll have top distance between them. I think this is too much. I think here is good. This distance here. There's a confidently. Here is no comments. Actually, we're just making hair. It's not that important, so you know, and it's not that hard. It's really easy hairstyle. I think everybody now, like, his mangaka never liked to draw the hard hairstyles. This is the reason why Rengoku was dead. Actually, maybe it's not a good, maybe it's not a bad, but he's actually dead because of this reason. You can agree with it, you cannot, you would never change it. He's already dead, unfortunately. So I will make some details. I will make shadows. Oh, I forget. Right there, this eel thing says, and here is some details. I forget about them. Okay, here you can make any distance, any shape, anything. Just they should have this, you know. After that, you can paint it if you want. If you're not, you can make anything what you want. Actually, you draw it. It's your painting. I have done it. Thank you for watching.